And in just a few hours, the trial gets underway for the man charged in the death of State Trooper Christopher Gadd.
Prosecutors say Raul Benitez Santana was driving drunk on I-5 in Marysville last March when he crashed into a state patrol car. Drew Andre is live outside the courthouse in Everett this morning covering this case. And Drew, jury selection was a little bit different this week. What should we know heading into the trial?
Right, Mimi. Now, given the high-profile nature of this case, the jury pool was about 100 people. That's more than most cases. Now, a lot has happened recently. Just earlier this week, the defense actually tried to get this case dismissed altogether. That was unsuccessful. Now we have our 12 jurors, and opening statements will begin later on this morning. Here's what we're going to hear from both sides here. First, the state will bring up that Raul Benitez Santana allegedly drove drunk, traveling over 100 miles per hour when he crashed into the back of Trooper Gadd's parked patrol car. Blood tests taken about an hour and a half after the crash show his blood alcohol content was just above the legal limit. The defense, though, plans to challenge the timing and accuracy of that blood test and bring up that Gadd's patrol car had its lights off, parked in a dark area. In court Monday, a judge denied a motion to throw out the case against Benitez Santana, who is an undocumented immigrant. They allege prosecutors violated Washington's sanctuary laws by contacting ICE about his immigration status. They argued that could prejudice the jury. A judge said it did not warrant dismissing the case. Now, this all happened in the early morning hours of March 2nd of last year. Trooper Gadd was just 27 years old. He had a wife and a young daughter, and it is very likely that many of his co-workers from Washington State Patrol will be on hand for this trial. The trial is expected to last around 3 weeks or so. We do know that a conviction of vehicular homicide while under the influence is a minimum prison sentence of 6.5 years. Live in Everett this morning, I'm Drew Andre, King 5 News.